List of Rundll32 commands in Windows 10. Ever wish you could skip a few clicks and make your system dance with a single command? Say hello to Rundll32.exe, your backstage pass to hidden Windows superpowers. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. What are Rundll32 commands? Rundll32 lets you execute functions stored in dynamic link libraries, aka DLLs. Think of it as giving Windows a one-line instruction to open control panel settings, lock your screen, even launch the Add Printer wizard. No menus, no clicking around. It works in the Run dialog, command prompt, PowerShell, and even inside batch files to automate repetitive tasks. Let's break it down. Want to open system properties directly? Here's a quickie. Rundll32.exe, shell32.dll, control_runDLL sysdm.cpl, 1. Boom. You're on the computer name tab without ever touching a mouse. Or maybe you're all about speed. Lock your workstation in a flash. Rundll32.exe, user32.dll, lock workstation. Use with caution. Rundll32 commands are not just cool, they're efficient. These commands can be dropped into run dialogues, command prompt, PowerShell, or even batch files to automate repetitive tasks. But with great power comes great responsibility. Used incorrectly, Rundll32 can cause errors, or worse, security issues. So always, double-check your syntax, typos matter. Run with admin privileges if needed. Avoid sketchy commands from unknown sources, official documentation, or reliable IT resources. Keep Rundll32.exe in its original folder, C:/Windows/System32, or C:/Windows/syswow64 for 64-bit systems. Got a weird error? Access denied, invalid function, or DLL not found? Don't panic. Most issues are fixed by correcting syntax, using absolute paths, running as admin, or repairing files with SFC or DISM. Bonus tip. Rundll32 is a favorite tool for malware to cloak malicious activity. Always verify it's running from the right location. To check if it's behaving, open Task Manager, find Rundll32.exe, right-click, and select Open File Location. If it's anywhere other than System32 or syswow64, that's a red flag. Run a malware scan immediately. Bottom line, Rundll32 is a power tool in your Windows toolkit. When used wisely, it can automate admin tasks, speed up troubleshooting, and even help detect malicious behavior. For more information, check out our official blog post on list of Rundll32 commands in Windows 10, linked in the description below. Be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this.